So everyone's ranting about Microsoft increasing the pricing of the Xbox Live Gold subscription. But they're not thinking about the solutions, which I'm going to provide you to get a better deal out of this. And Microsoft basically told you this without directly telling you this. So let's first talk about the actual price increases. So for the 1 month, 3 month, and 6 months, you're going to see those boost up in price. It's going to start off at $10.99 for 1 month. $30, basically $29.99 for 3 months, and $59.99, a whole $60 for the 6-month subscription, basically doubling what it previously was before. And yeah, that's a bit on the alarming side here. I can see some people complain about it. It's been a while since they've upgraded it, but some people only like to just have what Gold offers, which is the online play, the deals with Gold, and a couple of games that they get for free, and they're not really ready to jump up and basically kind of pay more in the end for Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, even though there is a lot of great features with that. However, Microsoft basically gave you an out on this and basically told you how to do it. One of the things they did mention here is that if you currently have months on your subscription, they're obviously not going to charge you right away. They're going to give you 45 days before your subscription runs out to let you know that the new prices are coming up. But if you still have months available on there, you can actually convert those months for free from Xbox Live Gold over to Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, and they're not going to charge you more for it. So if you have 6 months left on your Gold, you switch over to Game Pass Ultimate, you get 6 months of Game Pass Ultimate before you have to pay, no additional charge. Think about that for a second. Now, most of the subscriptions that they're upgrading here are probably based on people that directly subscribe to Microsoft, to Xbox. They use a credit card to renew it every single year or renew it whenever it's up. There's still availability of the digital key codes and physical cards with the prepaid ones that you can prepay for 6 months or 12 months of Xbox Live Gold, which I have a link in the description to that right now for 12 months, which is still $60. So $60 for 1 year. Now, let's say you buy 3 of those. That's $180. You stack those onto your Microsoft account, so you have 3 years of Xbox Live Gold, and then you convert over to Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, and you basically get 3 years of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate for the price of 1 year that it would cost you under the normal plan for Game Pass Ultimate. And then you get the benefits of Live Gold. You also now get the benefits of those 100+ games, and you keep adding free games onto the system. You get EA Play with it, you get deals, and all the other things that they're adding on to that Game Pass Ultimate. You get PC access now too, and you get mobile access as well too. That's a great deal and a great little hustle trick that you can do right there to kind of get benefit, because let's be real, they're going to remove everything. There's eventually Gold isn't going to be available to be bought separately. They're going to want you to go into Game Pass and one of these subscription services, but you can get ahead of the game right now by stacking up your years and then converting right over. And Microsoft's basically giving you a way to do that, and they basically told you without directly telling you.